Welcome back, everyone. If this video is successfully keeping you entertained, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it definitely keeps this channel breathing. Thanks for being here. So, I saw some rumors on social media about a few exquisite local dining spots around here. Let's just say they serve a very specific, off-the-menu kind of flavor. I decided to check it out and give you guys a taste of these highly authentic local establishments. Since it's my first time navigating this spicy neighborhood, the camera might get a bit shaky while I hunt them down. Bear with me, but don't worry, you won't miss any of the view inside. Check out those two guys over there. It's pretty clear they're on a secret mission for some late-night refreshments. I'm gonna tag along and see where their culinary instincts lead us. As for that spot right across the street, we'll leave that one for dessert and check it out at the very end. By the way, this street is called Jingang Road. If you try to look it up on Google Maps, it'll probably matrix glitch and send you to a whole different dimension. Pro tip, look for the major road nearby called Baosheng West Road instead. That's your actual geographical lifesaver. They just did a quick window shopping session at the spot ahead. Let's go ahead and step inside for some quality control ourselves, just to see if the place actually lives up to the hype. I asked the concierge about the pricing for their tasting menu. She told me the entry-level experience is 150 RMB, but if you want the premium VIP upgrade, it's 200 RMB. To crunch the numbers for you, that's about 22 bucks for the base option and around $30 for the full course deluxe edition. Honestly, in New York, that barely buys you a few iced lattes with extra shots. But here, it gets you the whole chef's table experience. And our experts are gone. I tried to follow the scent of good food, but it turns out I'm a terrible detective. Since we've lost the trail, I'm just gonna cruise around the block and see what other interesting local spots we can stumble into. All right, it looks like there are no hidden delicacies up this way. This is literally just a traditional produce market, actual groceries. I need to backtrack and explore the other side of the street, because as much as I love fresh cabbage, that's not exactly the kind of local flavor we're hunting for today. At this point, I'm basically in full head swivel mode, scanning left and right like a hyperactive radar. I absolutely do not want to miss a single hidden gem on this block today. Honestly, I feel like a rotating CCTV camera right now. Oh, look what we have here, another interesting coordinates locked in. Let's head right inside for some impromptu research and see if their daytime specials are just as promising.
Okay.
The staff only gave me the price for the standard combo, an exact copy of the last spot. Alright, you've probably spotted the pattern by now. These places are masters of discretion. Massive security shutters down, with just one tiny entryway left open. You can't see a single thing from the sidewalk, but once you step up to the threshold, the real setup reveals itself. Incredible operational security for a daytime business. Take a look at these concrete giants. They're modern elevators added onto the old housing structures. Now, the local government does subsidize this to make life easier, but as it turns out, progress comes with a price. From what I hear, these elevators have officially triggered some historic neighborhood feuds.
多少钱？有服务吗？
Alright, this is the spot we saw at the very beginning. I did a quick market research on the rates, and they are identical. But honestly, the staff member in there looks like she's ready for an immediate power nap. I don't want to force a lackluster dining experience, so I think we'll take our business elsewhere today. Here's another spot I managed to scout out later, right in the same sector. Forgive me, but the pure adrenaline of this mission is giving me a bit of brain fog right now. I'm slightly disoriented, so bear with my terrible navigation. Alright, I've officially walked the entire length of this street. Honestly, I'm still buzzing right now. It's my very first time encountering establishments in this kind of unique format, and my adrenaline is absolutely off the charts. I think I need to go grab a massive iced coffee just to cool my brain down. But believe me, I will definitely be back to give this neighborhood a much more thorough, deep dive exploration in the future. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this daytime safari, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.